This is the last presentation, so I'll request her to limit it to 10 minutes only. And then we will come to results of best presentation immediately once she is done.
Am I audible, sir?
You are. Ma'am, 10 minutes maximum.
Okay.
If it is less than 10 minutes also, okay for us.
A small introduction video about me.
I am S. Bala Jalderi, primary teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam, joined in Sangadan in the year 1995. A child's life is like a piece of paper on which every person leaves a mark. I believe that school should be engaging and inspiring. More than the transmission of information and knowledge, great teaching should spark a love and joy of learning and develop skills for success in school life. So my strategies are teaching all the subjects through dramatization and through songs. Songs are easily obtainable. Dramatization, including songs, inspire children of all ages and transform the art of teaching.
I am the principal of Vidyalaya. This is Chitra Bhutan. I found Mrs. Bala Joy Daddy to be a very innovative teacher, a passionate teacher. Whenever she is in class, she gives her 100%. The best TLMs, teaching learning material. She plans for every class. All the classes are activity based, and she incorporates moral teaching into whatever she teaches, be it maths, EVS or English. An extraordinary teacher who deserves the national award.
Mrs. Bala Joy Daddy is an innovative teacher. Her ways of teaching make students on task and motivate them to do their best. Her classroom decoration is very attractive and creates interest in learning. The way she uses TLM is appreciated. She teaches every lesson through songs and skits which enable everyone to take part, including differently able children. Her assembly programs with moral values are commendable. Through her attractive voice, she tunes her children to be disciplined. Her way of giving cultural programs on annual day is appreciated not only by parents but by all higher authorities. She strives her best during cluster competitions, which makes everyone cooperative, including students. Her different methods of teaching enable the students to understand the concepts easily.
Our class is very grateful to get a teacher like Bala ma'am, who has made us understand each and every lesson so nicely.
Bala,
Yes, sir.
Bala, your video is not less than a presentation. Great work.
Okay, sir. I have been selected for National Rashtrapati Award up to state level. I was one of the best 5 out of from the KV all over India, and luckily I couldn't get this year, and hope I will be getting next year. And today my presentation is the effect of using TLM, teaching learning materials in primary classes. These are my achievements. Kendriya Vidyalaya has awarded 6 awards for me, and private concern they have given 2 awards. Now I have got Global Teacher Award. So totally 9 awards I have got for my innovative teaching. And last 2016 I got the National KVS National Award from our Honorable Hajjadi Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar. And this is my TLM resource room which I am maintaining in my school. I'm going to tell what is TLM. TLM is the learning material provided by the teacher to be used in the class for effective learning. And why do we need the TLM? TLM is a spectrum for educational materials that teachers use in the classroom to support specific learning objectives. And what are the TLM materials? I'm going little bit fast. Manipulatives. Through manipulatives, children can use all the mathematical concepts, and building blocks are one of the main TLM. Children will be coming with open-ended concepts and interactive worksheets. Especially during this pandemic period, we are using a lot of interactive worksheets, and so many educational videos are available. And the traditional games, Pallanguli, like in Tamil Nadu we used to play, such games we are introducing to teach so many concepts in math. Flashcards of sight words and many concepts. Yeah, these are all the TLMs. Model clay. So we are asking the children to do the alphabet, numbers, vegetable, fruits, instruments, and instead of the clay, ready-made clay, we are make the children to bring the art of floor, and so many that food colors are available. Through that, children are using that vegetable, fruits, everything. And finger puppets, string puppets, these are the thing. And the storybooks, especially the magic part for Tinkle for primary level, is one of the best TLM materials. And the paper clippings as a teaching learning material we are using in primary classes. Visual aids. So whatever we are displaying in the class, it is called the visual aid TLM materials, especially sight words. In every year, I will be making the sight words in a different way. These are the classroom decoration. These are the sight words prepared by me, and all these classroom decoration videos I have uploaded in Google, YouTube. And sample of students writing. The previous year children, whoever has presented the best writing sample, that also can be used as a teaching TLM material for the children. And overhead projector. In the beginning, I had 25 years of experience in this. And the beginning when I joined, we were using only the overhead projector. Now, after getting lot of technology, almost this overhead projector is we are not using, but we are using in our resource room. And whatever children are drawing and what they are writing can be displayed through this overhead projector. And this is the overhead projector, and nowadays the usage of it is reduced, and this also can be used as. And textbook, the KVS textbook itself, one of the best TLM, a lot of pictures and stories are available, but all the time they are seeing the textbook. So as a teacher, we have to make some innovative TLM materials so that children will be coming forward to participate in all the activities. Nowadays, the sophisticated TLM material is only in mobile. All the things children started recording and sending to the children, especially during this pandemic period. Whatever homework we are giving, recitation, storytelling, whatever it may be, they are sending through WhatsApp by recording. So in that way, we are able to correct the pronunciation mistakes, whatever it may be. And now the kind of educational toys, especially at present, the children are using so many innovative activities in their home itself by using their toys as the TLM materials. And there are so many unstructured play material we can use, like sand, water, sticks, leaves, rope, shells. These are the things at present children are using the activity using in their home, and they are sending the activity through WhatsApp. And these are the Montessori materials. These are also one of the TLM material. And learning resources like and mass manufactured toys, plastic, metal toys, everything, indigenous toys. And it is depending upon the places, especially Tanjavur, the doll will be available. When we went to Andaman, we bought the Andaman Nicobar toys, everything. These are all the TLM materials. Traditional games, board games, marbles, everything. And puppets, hand puppets, shadow puppets, string puppets. And there are so many materials available for the children, special need of children to increase their motor coordination. So why it is more necessary, this TLM material? It increases the interest level, motivates the child to learn, hands-on experience for the child, and promotes minimum level of learning, reduces the learning load and retention power increases, enhances the ability to reproduce, once again they will recall, and encourages contact between students and teachers, and it develops reciprocity and cooperation among the students, and encourages active learning, give prompt feedback, respect diverse talents and ways of learning, emphasize time on task, and communicate high expectations. What is the teacher role in preparing this TLM material? Self-interest, self-motivation, goal-oriented, positive approach, open-mindedness to accept, follow the new ventures. Now we started, suddenly we have been adapted to use the online teaching. The same way, we should accept the new thing and not viewing the usage of TLM as a burden. And an innovative teacher has lot of innovative ideas for TLM. And there are so many principles of making the TLM. I am going little fast. according to the age, maturity, and intellectual level, motives, and social environmental, and the interest and motivation. Whenever we prepare the TLM, that should attract the children. You should be attention catching and motivating the learning. Then only they will be fully focused, fully concentration. Their full concentration will be only on the teaching learning material. And you should bring some educational value. Just for name sake, we should not prepare the teaching learning material. And realization of the objective. What TLO we have framed, according to that, the TLM also should be prepared. And some of the pictures I'm going to show now, and the principle and the TLM material should be very, very simple. It should not be a complicated one. And relevancy and suitability to the topic. Just for the name check, we should not prepare any teaching learning material. Principles of accuracy. See, these are the TLM I have prepared. It will be always hanging in my class. When we once again arrange that, for example, noun should not be put in pronoun should not be put in homophone. It should be everything accurate. We should keep it in correct manner, so that when second time when children are using, they won't be confused. And these are my class decoration with the TLM material. And mainly we teachers should go for low cost material, so that children can realize that when they use the disposable bottle caps, dice and glass and plates and beads, they will connect that these are the things was used by my teacher. So better to go with the low cost material, and that should be made in an attractive way. And these some of the TLM materials which I had prepared in my class, I'm going to show now. This is a 3 little pigs. These materials are made of disposable plates and tumblers, and just we have painted it. And the bubble straw and the shoe, and we are making the thing only out of waste material. And so when we prepare such kind of material, children are coming forward to participate. This is a finger puppet. Children are comparing each other that what bird you have made, what color, what is the name of the bird, everything. So it takes the peer teaching also. And the Mittu and the yellow mango, it's one of the lesson. Whenever we make the TLM, for mango means there should be in orange color. So children learn the concept, the mango shape they are learning, and color concept also they are learning. And they are what is the points have been written in each everyone's flashcard. They are seeing that. In a way, the peer teaching also taking place. Our tree. So we are making whatever according to the topic, the cutouts we are making. All the values of the uses of the trees have been recorded. Now this is the first standard children. So according to their level and their maturity, that paper they have made into a paper. And whenever we make some many classroom activities, the same we are giving as an assembly program, so that whatever value we are communicating through this activity, it will be spread to the whole school. And kite, there is a poem kite. What are the materials needed for the kite we are asking? So when children prepare the kite only, they can find out that what are the materials have been used. And rainbow, there is one lesson, and it is a simple lesson, but we are going out of the topic why the rainbow happens, and children will be asked to view by using all the TLM material. They will be using color dress, and they have acted. Then flying men. So what are the TLM I have used in my class? I am using that. If they have material, they will wear and come. Others, they are bringing the pictures. And the tiger and the mosquito, that only we can view only through the pictures. These are the low cost materials I have used. Curly locks and 3 bears. Children will make a jungle. Most of the children will be sitting like a tree, and the curly lock will move around, and the whole story will be narrated by richly by using the TLM materials. And now the grasshopper and even most of the children, they don't know what is grasshopper, what is anthill. So we have made the anthill, and we have shown how the grasshopper will be. So most of the children can view and understand. That is the main importance of TLM material. And I am the lucky poem. They are every animal is arguing, if I am like that, if I am like that. So most of the children are using the animal mask, and others are lucky, like God, and in how the animals are talking each other. So all the lessons, these are the flashcard activities, TLM material, and one TLM can lesson.
Bala, be quick first.
Okay, so these are the musical instruments lesson. Most of the instruments they won't have seen that, so they can view through the picture. So this is the thing I have made into. And collage work of these are the on my blackboard I can draw. And now see, these are the thing I have used the magic porridge part, and the rain poem by using the song, by using the umbrellas, and the smile for a poem. So what are the benefit of smile? By using the smile mask we are making that. So why I am showing is because when we use the TLM, the whole class is involved in the teaching. They have been motivated and they are coming forward to participate in all the activities, and they are learning so many qualities. The discipline is improved. They are getting some value, how to use the TLM materials, and how to take care of the classroom. So many values have been inculcated through this. This is a zoo manners. Children are making the jungle zoo in the class, and they have made that. So they are making the different models, animals, masks, everything. And these are the birds, lesson, sparrow, how it makes the nest. Children are bringing the material and they make the nest in the classroom. And little I'm going past the enormous turnip. This is a lesson. So farmer, all of you know the story. So if I ask all the children are interested in participating, 2-3 farmers can be used. These are the fish story. Children are made the fish model out of waste CD. And these are the flashcard activities, balloon man by bringing the balloon, and story of road. What is the difference between village road and the city road? They are conversation. So trains by using waste material, children have made the thing. And now so whatever we are doing class, they are doing in this classroom assembly program also. This is a watering rhyme. The whole children, all the 15 children are like a flower, and how we can pour the water the plant. And this is the giving tree. So everything in every lesson, see all the children giving tree, children have framed, all the children are making standing like a tree. This is really innovation. A lot of effort had been taken. All the children took part in this activity, giving tree. These are my classroom activities which I'm involving, and book. So whenever we using the TLM, it increases the interest of the student level, and the concept is we can easily reach them. The burden of the studies and teaching also reduced. It is more helpful for the teachers as well as for the students of the college work. Making part. So all the according to the name of the topic, I used to make the material. This is a drop by drop. So all the material I have made into drop. Spices, circles. This is my classroom. Whatever children are bringing the TLM material, I used to decorate my class with the TLM material. So throughout the year, no child will touch it, and they will maintain the class in such a way that, and whoever officers visit my class, they used to appreciate me like that, because we all are students' work. I am decorating my class by using the students' work, and these are all called visual TLM material. Children will view and they will understand the concept very easily. So I request all the participants to use the TLM materials effectively, especially in primary classes. It will be in their mind forever. And at last we can have, these are the birthday babies. Through this also we can data collection, everything they can do that. And these are my achievements, all the 9 awards. Thank you, sir, for giving me, Dinesh sir, for giving me an opportunity to participate in this Inspiration Week as well as to present my paper. Thank you so much. I am very much thankful to the Global Award people. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Bala. What a wonderful effort.
Thank you, sir.
Let me tell you, when I used to present my resume for my job, I used to write my strength as 3 Ds. 3 Ds. Dedicated, disciplined, determined. So you have already proved this. You have all 3 Ds.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Vidyalaya Meenambakkam for the past 25 years. Of course, it is my 9th award. I have received the award in different states from ministers and my Tamil Nadu governor. But this is something sophisticated award. By sitting in my home itself, I'm getting such a most precious global award. And how I got the award, I can say that it is the motivation and encourager I have got from my principals. I can say that whenever I do a single thing, they will encourage how beautifully you are doing.
Bala.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us discuss about the Inspiration Week, not about award. Only inspiration.
Yes. So I am coming, sir. So because of the leaders, only people, those have encouraged me only to. Now I am seeing your patience. How this sir is having this much of patience and he had allotted only 15 minutes time, but we all exceeded more than 25 minutes. Even then he had patience. I was discussing with my family members how much patience he's having. Really, you are the best leader, sir. Because why I'm telling my principal, because of their encouragement. Now by seeing your encouragement, and today till yesterday I was expecting my name will come in the paper presentation list, but it was not there. I was little bit upset. Then I left it because I have been the resource person for so many times for my Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. But now sir come to my level, and 3 o'clock he rang up, are you presenting? Really within a second I couldn't do, because I didn't see the list, so I didn't prepare. Within 1 hour I prepared my presentation, what I can do and what can be will be most useful for my fellow teachers. Because all the 5 days I'm observing, almost whatever teachers presented, everything related to my primary education. So now I felt, okay, whatever I'm doing, let me present. Simply presenting is not important. What I have done, let me show that. And moreover, really, sir, you should live long. I never see, even above all my principal, you are the best hero. I never expected how you will be having this much of patience, especially to give the award for us. And moreover, whenever I get the award, I will be getting feedback only from KV teachers. Now I have got lot of information from different education institutions. Really, I am very much thankful. I was worried about this pandemic, Corona. Now, why this Corona? It is only get this sophisticated award God has given this. Yes, sir, tell me. Yes, sir.
Bala,
Tell me, sir.
I'm sitting in the chair for more than 5 hours.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Really, it's a wonderful experience for everybody. Really, really. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Okay.
Uh,